the Land Rover app to start. You've got your choices. You're starting the car to warm up, you hold it. So much octa. Hello my Rover friends and welcome to the Lucky 8 channel. So I'm going to take this time, show you how to use the Land Rover app to start your car. Cue the intro. All right, my friends, the first thing we need to do is log into the Land Rover app. No, I'm not giving you my code. Okay, now that I'm in the app, let's go to the screen view so you can see what's going on. All right, it's pretty simple. You've got your choices of what you want to do under remote. So we want to hit remote, and that'll bring up three choices. Beep flash, if you want the horn to beep, help you find your car in the parking lot, door lock, and climate. So in order to turn on the climate, which is basically you're starting the car to warm up, you hold it. Now we're gonna have a problem, and I did this on purpose. You'll see that it's spiraling, it's not going to work, it's gonna fail. And the reason the car won't start is because the doors are not locked. So we're gonna go back into the app, switch over and lock the doors. Then once the doors are locked, we can start the car. It'll warm up for me, then we can go play in the snow. We're gonna switch over to door lock. Just move it down like so. Doors are now locked. Go back to climate, hold our button. Let's see if we can hear the octopus start from outside. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but it just started. We are good to go. All right, my friends, pretty easy, very useful little app. I use it all the time, especially on days like today. Let's go for a ride in the snow. So much octa. All right, guys, next thing you see from me is gonna be a ditch. Be sure to follow.